Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. TR Tony here in the drive on a Saturday. Very windy here in the UK this weekend. Yeah, lots going on in the family, which is really great to see. And just wanted to walk you through a couple of cars that the boys are working on. You know that UES 591S is up and running, but it'd be great to just show you some things that are going on. And let's just start off with the MG BGT that I know you've seen Harry has been working on. We call it the Triumph Stag support vehicle, and here it is. It's back from Allen's, has been for a little while now, and Harry has been slowly going through it, rebuilding it and putting various chrome bits back on. It's not finished yet. The paint needs polishing up again and whatever, but it's looking good. And we had a slight mishap, but less said about that the better. We will be rectifying that. And the wind storm Eunice managed to blow off the MG BGT badge that was stuck on the back of the boot there. One or two little specks of paint that will come off with a good polish, but that's where we're at with that car. Which is really all right. So that's Harry's MG BGT. We're going to fly out the front now and just have a look at a new acquisition that Trumpet Pilot Bob has had for a while. There's Downpipe Duke wandering off to the garden. You all right, Duke? You all okay? Good boy. Arry the Stag. Good lad. Right, let's go and follow James out to the front. And back indoors, Downpipe Duke seems to have grabbed the cushion. That's not yours, Duke, is it? You better leave it. Come on. Good boy. Grab it off him in a second. Okay, so here's Trumpet Pilot Bob.
Morning.
Morning. Morning, Angle. So you're going to show us our this newest acquisition kind of thing. What's it called?
Well, it's Toyota 1996 Toyota Granvia, and there's a bit of a money pit at the minute.
Is it?
But
here it is.
yeah.
So here it is. This is the
For the staycations.
the camper van. Right. Okay. It's a new project for Trumpet Pilot Bob. What age is it?
Same age as me.
Same age.
Same year.
Same year. Right. Okay. So that's all good, isn't it? No, you haven't started this for a while.
It's not gonna start.
Is it not?
No.
Oh, might do. Hey. It's a bit smelly.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's been sat for a while. It's been
Well,
It's been sat since November.
Well, it's been at least a week, isn't it?
Well, yeah. But obviously,
Yeah.
I drove it here, but it's
Yeah. Very good. So we'll have a very quick whiz round. I know this isn't.
Employing Harry to fix it.
Yeah. I know this isn't Triumph Stag related, but it's kind of classic car related. It is kind of got a bit of a noisy engine by the sound of it, and N registered, 1996, is it?
Yeah.
Great big diesel, great diesel engine in there. Yeah. There's definitely a squeaking noise we're going to have looked at.
Yeah.
So we'll do that, no doubt. And
Underneath and stuff.
wow, very good. And we'll have a quick look inside. Behind the cars. Oh, crikey. The mess looks like you stayed the weekend. Look at that, what a mess. Anyway, it's all camping stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Plenty of room, rugby ball to have a bit of fun with Lydia later, and some cardboard boxes and a spare battery.
Yeah.
So that's the Toyota Granvia. We're going to follow this over the next few months and see how Trumpet Pilot Bob gets on with that. Big plans.
I hope so. Yeah.
What are your plans?
Just to get it working and reliable, sell my car because I don't really need a car. I don't need two cars at the minute.
Yeah.
Just get this one working, and then I can have long weekends away everywhere,
Yeah.
and it won't cost much.
Absolutely right.
I'm on a holiday.
Very good idea. And after all this lockdown malarkey, it'll be good to do. So
Yeah.
there we are. That's the Toyota Granvia. Got a very squeaky pulley in there, I think that is. Anyway, but our pride of place is the fact that we have a ginger inside, which I thought was kind of quite cool. I used to be your colour, James, but
Yeah, Harry got those.
I have faded. So well done. And talking of stickers, here's another one they stuck on the back. Go around. If it was supposed to be fast, it wouldn't be shaped like a brick. Well, I think that's pretty well said, actually. But anyway, it's I've been in it. It's nice, and yeah, he's going to go places with this. Okay, I've literally just jumped into the company car for 5 minutes, mainly to get out of the wind. Granvia behind us, as you can see. Just I had an email in. I just want to stop filming for a minute because I'm so excited. We've had an email from the British Motor Museum up in Gaydon, up near Coventry, that kind of area, M40. We've been in dialogue with them for a little while, and we've had an invitation to go and see BOL 88V, which many of you will know is the last ever stag that was produced on the production line way back whenever on V-Reg plate. So very excited about that. Big thanks to Scott Burney down under, who asked us at the turn of the year, would we perhaps build on the good work that we did last year. We visited Silverstone, if you remember, on the national Triumph Stag Day at the SOC at Silverstone, and we saw the green Triumph there and then, which was awesome. There wasn't anybody about, so we just literally scooted around it. It was raining as well. Anyway, thanks, Scott. I think you owe me a beer and a night out next time we come down to see you and you guys and your mates. Be really good. But yeah, cut long story short, we've now got on Friday an opportunity to go and see Stephen Lang, who's the head of the collections at the museum, and also Kat, who is one of the curators there, who I believe is going to show us around the car. It'll be awesome if we can hear the engine firing up, and even more awesome if we get a drive in it. But we'll have to see. Can't promise that. We'll have to see how things go. If we can shoot other films around the museum, of course we will do. We'll obviously see what happens on Friday. But just thought I'd like to let you know. Equally, please feel free to chip in with any questions you've got. I know Scott Burney sent in a few questions from his kind of gang and his group down under about this last stag. Lots of people want to find out the details. So if you've got any questions, please just stick them in the comments link below, and we'll see if we can ask as many of them as possible. Can't guarantee to do all of them, of course, but no. So just very excited. Sorry to interrupt the filming. We will come back to the Grand View and the MGBGT in due course, but yeah, watch this space. We'll see what happens next weekend. I'll hopefully get a video up and running next weekend for you to see what happened. Meantime, I think that's about it for this week. Have a great week wherever you are. Don't forget to sign up and subscribe, and like. A few thumbs up is always good. And equally, if you want a tax disc sized sticker for your windscreen, an Arry The Stag badge of honour, then just go to our website and apply for one, free of charge, sent anywhere in the world. And also our Saturday Sockets email that we do every weekend. So happy to get you on board for that, with lots of off-camera shenanigans, all about sharing the classics dream. Okay, good stuff. Well, I've got to fly now. Literally got to go and get the missus from the airport. So have a great week, and we'll see you online on Arry The Stag very soon. Cheers for now. Bye. Lady Troop has landed. I just missed her. I better get in the car and go and get her. Easy jet all the way from La France. Welcome back, Ali. Top job.